Yeah, Katch Kan is an innovator of zero spill systems based on the Houston Advanced Research Center's environmentally friendly drilling program. Katch Kan supplies rig safety systems, zero spill systems, and environmental sustainability systems to the oil and gas industry. Katch Kan has been an industry leader in addressing environmental challenges in the oil and gas industry throughout the entire well life cycle for over 25 years. My primary role at Katch Kan is to implement electronic field tickets and barcoding while acting as the company's full-time IT specialist and information systems consultant. Yeah, so Katch Kan I think is fairly standard in terms of small and medium-sized enterprises in terms of the challenges around systems, process, and software. There's a diverse set of applications and processes ranging from paper to spreadsheets, through disconnected applications. Documented processes are typically, coming out of date as new employees find different efficiencies in their role. This causes, different gaps in data collection from one department to the next. And reporting becomes a challenge, and departments start using undocumented software, manual entry from one system to the next. Learning the actual day-to-day processes in all departments is really required to select the correct software, in my opinion. And that's kind of par for the course for most small to medium-sized companies. And so, a lot of these systems are generally 5 to 10 years behind in terms of the core applications. And the new systems, of course, are not generally compatible with the older technology. And so there's kind of a disconnect, not only like in the department in terms of process, but then also the data collection and then the systems themselves. And so it's really need to think about, how big of an impact implementing new software is going to be, and whether or not it's just, bolting in for one specific process, or whether or not the efficiency gain is really going to be from connecting the departments back together without having some type of interdepartment tracking system for duplicate entry. And so there's really three options. One is to figure out what that core piece of software is. It's usually the accounting system, and then building that software out to handle the other processes. The second kind of potential way to go with new software is just start from scratch with a whole new kind of blank ERP. But the challenge with that is those ERPs, they have all the functionality, but there's no process built. You have to build all of that process from scratch, and that in a lot of cases is more difficult and costly than even trying to build out the existing software. And so really at the end of the day, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises, in my opinion, the best option is almost always an out-of-box solution that's designed specifically for your industry, where the core processes of the industry, like in Katch Kan's case, of course, is rental and oilfield service. And so to find a software that has all of that process built into the system already, so that you're not focused on so much on the IT side and the development and the programming, but more so allows you to focus on the actual roles within the organization and the people and their specific processes. And so starting with the software like Rigor as the core system really makes it easy to get up and running quickly. Yeah. Well, I mean, the journey, the challenges, it is really, trying to learn or understand the actual processes that are happening in day to day. And people don't have a lot of IT skills typically. And so what ends up happening is that the user is trained on specific buttons right? And it's about their specific steps. And so moving from that old system where everybody's kind of got their steps memorized and they know what buttons to push. The biggest challenge there is, even updating existing systems and changing the look and feel of the interface can have just as many problems as implementing an entirely new set of software. Mm-hmm. And so the experience with Rigor is really good because, again, it's designed for oil field service and rentals, and so there's an intuitive process in the system, and as long as you can work with the employee to understand the process that they're trying to complete, and then show how that process works in Rigor, then I think it becomes easier for the employee to adopt the new system. And it was quite simple, actually, because Rigor is so well set up to handle rental fleet and oil and gas. Finding the match between the process that was being done already in the old system to the process in Rigor, it was fairly easy to kind of find those similarities and then get the user to be able to effectively enter those new documents. Oh yeah, the support and team has been excellent to work with. Support is always available both to the user and to the champion that's responsible for the implementation. It's always been easy to get support in a timely manner, and the configuration changes and whatnot that are requested are completed and always assistance with that implementation.